Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the LokLok app on iPhone. Let's get started. First, install the LokLok app on your iPhone, and if it's not available in App Store, you may need to download it from the official website using your browser. And once installed, open the LokLok app and allow the required permissions. Next, you can sign in or create a new account to access all the features of the app. After logging in, you'll see the home page with different movies, TV shows, and categories. Simply browse through or use the search bar to find the content that you want to watch. Tap on a movie or show, then press play button to start streaming. You can also adjust the subtitles, video quality, and playback settings while watching. And that's it. That's how you use the LokLok app on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.